In figure 10, I just show an example of a spiral galaxy. Um, this is an arm. I hope you can see my mouse in the recording. It has patches of blue where the star formation is happening. There's some grayish, dark red uh, dust, also dust lines. There's some another large arm here, some smaller arms, a bright center with probably older stars because it's not as blue. And then it is a barred spiral galaxies. And it is NGC 1300. NGC is the catalog name. And the credit goes to this beautiful image archive by NASA and ESA. Is it ESA? The Hubble team.